Hey guys, the multi-shooter here. I just wanted to show y'all my Gerber multi-tool. It comes in this nice little case, belt loop. When you open it up, you get this. It's just a regular Gerber multi-tool. Has a scale right here. Then to open it up, you just push on this button right here and this button at the same time and slide it up, and there goes your pliers. It's just a regular set of pliers with some wire cutters. And inside here is where you have all your tools. Here's a saw blade. It's a nice little blade. I've used it, really sharp, really works very good. Then you have a file. It also works very good. And then you have a Phillips head screwdriver. And then you have a flat screwdriver. And on this side, you have a knife, which is very razor sharp, especially when it comes back into the package. It comes to you. And you have another flathead, a larger flathead. Then this little thing, I forget what it's called, but works pretty good. And it's just a little gerber pocket tool. Sorry if I'll go over again because I don't know if you actually got all that in. So pocket tool, saw blade, file, small flat. Actually, I don't really know what that is, you know. It might be a small flathead, that's what I'm calling it. You got a Phillips, regular knife, first, I don't know what this is. And you have this flathead, and again, don't know what that is. Sorry for my lack of information. I hope I just showed y'all enough for y'all to know if you do. And it folds up to this little place. Thanks for watching.